Now we just got this box, and what this is a scooter. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this on a tripod and tear it all apart, bring it in the house and charge up the battery. This is my hopes anyway. Try to figure this out. So this is what we're going to do today. Unboxing my Buzzaround Extreme. Alright, so we're going to get to start to cut it up. That's the easy stuff. Kind of convenient that the trash can is outside right now. I can take care of all this, a lot of it anyway. Go straight to the trash can. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to put this in the trash right now. I'm going to need the screwdriver to take this because it's big, gigantic. Yeah, that staples didn't really hold much. Oh, it looks like it's raw packaged. Look, I got a flag. I guess the thing is to take it all apart, go in the house and figure it out. Alright, I was able to get the first piece out. This is the little basket that probably goes in the very front. This is going to be a battery. We bought the extended battery package, of course. Let's not make anything easy. I'm not getting any yogurt, let me tell you. There's an artwork to being able to figure out this puzzle. I should have paid the $300 fee to assemble it. Now I'm going to have to figure this out myself. The worst part is I'm having trouble picking up some of the pieces. Let me see if I can get this done. Okay. This must be the frame around it. Okay, so this is the seat. Whoa! Boy, everything's hard when you're older. Alright, so this is probably the box of instructions. Alright, I see the undercarriage. I just don't see us taking this apart yet. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, this one piece. Okay, that's not going to be as easy as I thought it was. To be able to load it back in the car, I'm going to take it apart. Alright, I'm going to stop the camera, bring this all inside. We'll see you in a few minutes. So I bought this machine to make it easier for my wife and also for myself when we had to go to, say, grocery markets or maybe the hospital. And I believe when I was studying the assembly instructions, the basic assembly instruction, that it would break apart and say like it's 5 pieces, and it would be easy for me to put into the little car here and get things going. Unfortunately, this is not the right model. We're not sending it back. Linda needs to have some kind of wheels to get around. She wants to join us when I walk the dog. She wants to get out of the house. And even though this costs almost $2,500, we're not sending it back. We're going to use it. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking apart the last assembly. I'm going to roll it in the house and see how that works. This is the basic frame, which should be coming apart in pieces, but it's all put together. So there's a lot more to learn here. So that's the next part. Okay, I could be all wet and it could still be taken apart. I just don't see it right now. So that's what we're going to do next. So what I did is I cut open the cardboard box using a serrated knife, as you can see. And I have to be careful because, you know, I'm better, but I don't have the full, well, let's just say I'm a lot better, but I'm still a little tipsy sometimes. Gotta check everything because sometimes they have these little pieces you don't know about. I guess we can leave that on. I guess what I'm going to do is move this out of the way. Alright, so what you see here is the Buzzaround. It has the front shock system. You can see that. Let's see if I can bring that up right here. And it has a light system, and I think it comes apart. I just haven't figured that part yet. What I did is there's a lever, I'm going to show you in a minute, that makes it go into neutral. Right here, the lever. And when you have it towards the back, it doesn't go anywhere. When you have it towards the front, you can move it back and forth. So I'm going to wheel this thing to the front area, pick it up. And right now, I don't see how this back part comes off. I'm sure there's a way, I just don't know. I better read the instructions. So that's what we're doing next.
knob.
Move over the chair.
It says push the knob in and turn to the right.
This knob here.
That big knob allows you to tighten it to the right place.
Okay, where's the knob to release it?
Okay, there's a little, no, Gary, listen to me. It's underneath you have to push in to the right.
Let me do it.
There's supposed to be something underneath there.
So what we're doing is we're putting the battery into the scooter. None of these will work.